Hi, this is Sam Kidd from Teamwork.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use task list templates in your project. So first of all, I'm just going to show you how to use a template. So here I'm within a project and there's no current task list. So I'm going to add a task list. Now normally you just create the name and click on add, but I'm now going to click on the advanced tab and I'm going to pick that I want to use a template. So click the drop down and I now select the template that I want to use. So I want to use new product sale. So here you can see I have a start date for the task list and then the individual days set up for the individual tasks. So if this is day 1, that would be the 27th. So if I want to change the day that happens, I can just change the date on the task list. So if I set this to the 2nd, then that will be on the 2nd of June. There's other options here to keep tasks off the weekends. So if a task falls on a Saturday or a Sunday, it'll just push through to the Monday. And here you can notify everyone by email. Now you'll notice underneath that these have accounts, packing, customer support. These are actually roles set for the task list. So when I click on add this task list, it's now going to ask who I want to perform these roles. So who do I want to be the accounts person? In this case, who's going to be doing the packing and who's the customer support person. And then when I'm ready, I just click on finished. And that then populates my task list into the project. So I'm now going to show you where to set up these task lists. So task lists can be operated and accessed across all projects, but they can only be set up and created by an administrator in the account. So if you go up to the top settings, you'll see here templates. So if you click into that, the second one down, you'll see task templates. If I click on edit, this will pull up all the task list templates that I have currently within this account. And here we have the new product sales. So if I wanted to add a new task to this task list, I can click on add. And again, it's just exactly the same as you have with the current adding of tasks within a project. So what needs to be done? Who needs to do it? Now this is where you pick the individual person, or if you want to use a role, you click on choose later. And then you name what you want this role to be. So if I pick accounts, it'll match these two tasks to accounts, or I can rename this to something else. So in this case, I'll just go with accounts, click OK. Now I can pick the due date. So the due date operates in days, and this is days from the start date that you set the task list. So if I put this on day 16, and then you have all the other abilities within the task to set up dependencies, your priority and privacy, and when you finish, click on save. So now if I go back to my project, and if I was to go to the task tab, and then if I wanted to add a task list again, and now I go from again that same task list template, advanced and new sale, you'll notice that the mail flyer is now added into that task list and that's set for accounts. And so I just work my way through again and add this task list. So I hope this kind of explains how to use task list templates. If you have any questions, just drop us an email through the feedback and support link at the bottom of your account.